LINmagination channel. I'm so happy that you decided to click on this video. I am coming to you from Aulani, a Disney resort and spa, and I'm going to give you a tour of a DVC hotel room. Now, if you're looking for a tour of a studio villa here at Aulani, I do have a video for that, and I'll link it down below. That way you can check it out after you're done watching this video. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we are staying in room 531. And to the left is where the bathroom is. So they provide you with hand soap, body cream. They also have this bar soap here. And then in the shower, they have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It smells delicious. We do have a waterfall shower head. It feels nice and luxurious. And then of course you have a regular wand shower head. We do have just one sink. However, the vanity is nice and spacious. Extra toilet paper, more towels, your trash can, and then this is where the hair dryer is. And then to the left is where the commode is, and we have actual doors. So we were just staying in a studio villa, and the bathroom doors were sliding doors. I'm excited that we have regular doors. There is a hook behind this door, and then there's also another hook here, and bath towels. All right, now we're gonna make our way to the closet. So in this closet, you'll find a safe, laundry bags, hangers, extra bedding, an ironing board, and a luggage rack. Now across from the closet is this full-length mirror. That way you could do a fit check. And now moving on to the actual bedroom. So this room sleeps up to 4 people, and the beds are really high, and there is space underneath the bed. That way you can put your luggage down there. We have 2 queen-size beds, and I really like that there is a table on each side of the bed. In the middle is where the nightstand is, and you'll find a telephone, a lamp, some stationery. This is a very nice pen, some paper, a clock. This is such an adorable card. I low-key want to keep this. It says, "Welcome home, Aulani, a Disney resort and spa," and it has Minnie chilling on the beach and Mickey on a surfboard. I will never get tired of seeing the towel Minnie Mouse head with the flowers in the ear. So cute. There are 2 plug-in outlets there, and let's check the other side. Perfect. Yes, there are also 2 plug-in outlets there as well. Here is another vantage point of the beds. And across from the beds, we do have this little seating area with the famous Mickey Mouse lamp. I wish we could buy one. I just don't know where we would put it. We have a mirror here. And we have this beautiful art print that Brett Iwan made. And if you don't know who he is actually the official voice of Mickey Mouse. All right, next to the little seating area is where the TV is. I will never get tired of that, where it says our family name up there. And then we have some spacious drawers. Oh, this one does not open. In this DVC hotel room, this is where you'll find the fridge. And here is what it looks like opened up. That way you can have an idea of how much space it holds. And then we don't have a little kitchenette. So one of the big differences between a DVC hotel room and a standard villa is that we don't have like an actual sink area. I am very happy to find a Keurig. We have some coffee, so Joffrey's coffee, French roast, and decaf. We have a microwave and some disposable cups. There's also a kettle and an ice bucket. And we also have the trash can right here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our view. Not much of a view, but It's all right. We're still in Hawaii, you guys. We have a view of the parking lot. So on our villa, we do have our 2 chairs, a little table, and the most magical view of the parking garage. I personally don't mind this view. We still have lots of lush greenery in front of us, so I definitely feel like we have the aloha vibes going on. I really don't mind this view. In fact, I'm really happy that we're closer to the parking garage, because when you're staying in the other tower, sometimes it can feel like a trek to get over here. All right, taking another sweep of the hotel room. What do you guys think? Would you stay in a room like this? Or would you prefer to use more points and stay in a regular standard villa? We've been DVC members for the past 11 years, and I'm so eternally grateful for the magical memories that we make year after year. Alright friends, I hope you found this video helpful as you plan your trip to Aulani, a Disney resort and spa. If it did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye!